Nagtiwala tayo sa idea. The idea of daang matuwid. Ano ba yan? Nakakain ba yung daang matuwid na yan? Ano ba yan? Nagbibigay ba ng trabaho yung daang matuwid na yan? Napakataas ng daang matuwid. Ba't nagtiwala kayo doon? Nagsakripisyo kayo para sa daang matuwid. Now that we have seen 5 years of what daang matuwid means, mas madali na humarap sa ating mga kababayan. Magsabi, eto yung daang matuwid. And you don't have to lie. It's the best position to be in. You don't have to make up stories. You don't have to concoct stories of what is coming or what has been done. They are real. Each person in CCT is daang matuwid. Each person that is in PhilHealth, health insurance, is daang matuwid. Each classroom of each one of the 66,000 classrooms that have been built in the last 3 years is daang matuwid. Every kilometer of road that is being built in each of your districts is daang matuwid. So there is something, there is a performance that is the basis of each of your campaigns. What I want you to know is this is something that is good. That there is no force stronger than the force of our good people coming together with good leaders. Everybody has a pangarap. Everybody wants a pag-asa. They're the two most powerful motives. But we now have shown them na yung pangarap nila ay may pag-asa.